How are you? Okay, Mashal, can you please open page number 32? Very good. Is big or small? Where is a big teddy bear, Mashal? Very nice. A small teddy bear? Where is a small bag? And a big bag. A big cup. A small cup. A small fish. A big fish. Very nice. Now let's do some activity. Mashal? Okay. Hold your pencil, Mashal. Very nice. Now circle the small box. Circle the small box. Circle the small teddy bear. Now circle the big ball. Big ball, Mashal. A big hat. Now move to the other page, Mashal. It's a tall or short? Which one is a tall tree? Circle it. A tall girl. A tall giraffe. Very good. Mashal, can you please tell me which is the heavier object? Can you please point it? Heavy one. Yes, and the lighter one? Very good. Can you please point the taller object? Tall. Tall. And the shorter one? Very nice. Mashal, can you please tell me? A big one. Big. And the small one? It's a teddy bear. It's a small teddy bear. Can you please point the long pencil? And the shorter pencil? Very nice. Mashal, can you please tell me which object is lighter? Very good. Now hold the heavier object. Hold it. Very nice. Which one is heavier? This one. And which one is lighter? Show me. Very good. Now tell me the longer one. Yes, the longer one. And the shorter? Now show me the longer one pencil. And the shorter one? Good.